Hello everyone, we're starting our journey. We're going to have a coffee in one of the most amazing streets in Tehran, which is all about books. There is a street in Tehran which is called It's all stores filled with books, and if you want to just buy any books, you can just go there. The coffee shop that we're going to is so near with this street, and we're going to show you. Actually, it's holiday in Tehran. We hope that the stores would be open, but we're going to show you. So we went to Lamiz Cafe at Tahrir Square and get our coffee, and now we are ready to reach our next destination. One of the things that we have to mention for going to center of Tehran, it's better to take subway, but as today is holiday, it was easier for us to take the car, but just keep in mind it's not that much easy and there is so heavy traffic.
Golestan Palace, located in the middle of Tehran, is a stunning representation of Iran's rich history and cultural legacy. This architectural marvel, dating back to the 16th century and the reign of Shah Abbas Safavid, represents a beautiful blend of Persian and Western artistic influences. The palace's large gardens filled with vivid flowers and tranquil water features provide tourists with a peaceful getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city. Its beautiful buildings reflect the pinnacle of Iranian workmanship, from delicate tile works to stunning mirror-studded mosaics. The palace was originally built in the 16th century during the Safavid dynasty, but it was extensively renovated and expanded during the Qajar dynasty in the 19th century. The name Golestan means flower garden in Persian, and the palace is surrounded by beautiful gardens that were an important part of the palace complex in traditional Persian architecture. The palace served as the official residence of the Qajar kings and was also used for state functions, receptions, and other ceremonial occasions. During the Qajar era, the palace was known for its extravagant architecture, which blended traditional Persian styles with Western influences such as Italian and French elements. Today, Golestan Palace is a popular tourist destination and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural and historical significance. So now we are visiting Takht Marmar at Golestan Palace. Here, this chair is fully made of marble, and this was built to show the power of the kings back then. I heard something, but I'm not sure about this. I heard Naser Shah buried someone here, and I'm not sure about the person who is buried here, but I think it's Lutfali Khanazand, and he buried him here to show this respect when every time he passed this way to sit on the chair, and he had some problems with this person actually. Actually, I heard an inappropriate fact about this pool you saw here. I don't know if I'm gonna tell this part of the video on our vlog. I haven't decided about it yet. But I heard Nasruddin Shah made women naked and put them in the pool, and he just sat on this chair and watched them swimming. And another part of this dark fact is he had a slide back then, and it was a long time ago, and he used that slide to slide in the pool and swim with the other women. And I'm ashamed of this fact, but I thought it might be interesting for you to know that. You saw the pool here. I talked about it before, and this is the chair where Nasruddin Shah used to sit and watch women swimming in the pool. And that's weird.